Deep within a mysterious laboratory where science and nature meet in a subtle dance, we embark on a journey to discover the treasures hidden in the heart of the Earth. This mission involves the creation of an extraordinary tool, polymeric membranes that, like delicate nets, will be able to capture precious, unique, natural compounds that can bring hope in the fight against diseases for which current medicine knows no solution. With the help of advanced technology and the mystical power of chemoinformatics, the researchers are creating a system in which membranes, as light in weight as spider webs, combine with fluorophores. These luminescent molecules respond to changes in chemical spaces as if dancing to the rhythm of invisible music. Inside these membranes, extraordinary reactions take place that are subtle as the breath of nature. Here, like vigilant sentinels, the membranes capture secondary metabolites, particularly rubellins, substances that may hold the key to a new chapter in the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases. As these fluorescent markers begin to smolder in the dark, researchers track their every movement. The subtle changes in light, which are like a molecular dance, signal that the desired substances have been captured. The membranes not only capture them, but also retain them in their sensitive memory so that they can be studied, understood, and perhaps isolated, so that their biological potential can be unleashed. In this symphony of science and biological potential can be unleashed. In this symphony of science and biology, the membranes adapt precisely to the demands of the study, as if they were created in response to one specific call. With each discovery, with each stage of research, the researchers are moving closer to realizing their dream, to create the perfect tool to extract natural treasures that have the potential to redefine the future of therapy. In this innovative method, combining optical fluorescent markers with polymeric membranes, lies the promise of a new chapter in biotechnology. Thus, step by step, with the help of light and subtle molecular interactions, a new era of medicine is being born, in which nature reveals its secrets to help humanity fight life-destroying diseases. In this labyrinth of light, membranes and molecular entanglements, science becomes not just a discovery, but a poetic journey into the future, where each new step is an approximation to discoveries that could change the course of history in the treatment of diseases that not long ago seemed insurmountable.